This is Brian, and this is Nukem Garage. This is a product review on the TEMU action camera. It was the cheapest action camera on TEMU. This thing was $10. I did already open it. Put the camera inside the... No, the camera was already inside the box. That's right. This is just how it came. That there might have been some more plastic wrapped around things. Anyway, here it is. Can we see it? So, because I always forget. ADD. Remember to like. If you like this content, like the video, please. That helps me with the algorithm. Logarithm? Whatever. Math. It helps me with the math things on the TubeTube. So there we go. It is now recording. So, hello. This is recording with it. I wonder what it sounds like. Testing. 1, 2, 3. Hello. I'm a camera. Action. This thing is really light, but it also feels like it's probably fairly cheap. Well, it is cheap. It was $10. So, probably cheaply made. So, what's the verdict on this cheap $10 action camera from TEMU? After looking at that video and how grainy and it doesn't handle action without going really blurry, which is kind of the point of an action camera, this thing is complete garbage. That's right where it belongs. Okay, I'm gonna get it out. I'm sending it back to TEMU to get back my $10.